What's going on everyone, Vinay here and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be looking at this 8th gen LED headlights. Here are the specs. Power usage is 25 watts for each bulb and the max brightness is 4000 lumens and average is about 3500. So that makes a combined of 7000 lumen. It is IP65 water resistant. It uses this ZES chips and the color temperature is 6500K. Inside you get the product manual and a Allen wrench, and here are the bulbs. The manual gives you the specs and the installation instructions. And here are the bulbs. You can see each bulb has 4 LEDs, 4 on this side, 4 on the other side, nothing on the top. This has a large heat sink, so there's no fan, and that means there will be no fan noise. You can disconnect this cord like this. And it has a rubber seal. You can connect it like this again. Here is the voltage controller and here's the connector. So this base is adjustable. You can take the Allen key and insert it here, and then you can adjust this. You can also remove the heat sink. You can see there's the hole. And I am at my car right now. There's the old bulb. Push that latch there, slide it off, twist the bulb. When you install this, the LEDs have to be facing left and right like this. Take the new bulb and install it inside. Once it's inside, twist it to tighten it, and then take the connector. And you see here's a latch, and you just install it, connect it. Once you are done, you can just tuck the cables here on the side. And now we are going to check how it looks like. And here's how one side looks like. You can see how the light is scattered here. That means it has to be adjusted. Now I'm going to install it on the other side and see how both of them light up. And now both of the LEDs are installed, and here's how they look like. You can see these are very bright. that was the review of the 8th Gen LED headlights. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.